30-day Shiba buying challenge, day number 24, October 31st, 2021. Let's get it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, we have 38 million Shiba throughout this challenge, day number 1, all the way down to day number 24 now. So let's go ahead and buy our Shiba today. Remember, we buy it on Coinbase.com, keep it really simple, and we keep this really easy. Now today we're going to put $50 worth of Shiba, and remember, we're going to change this to Shiba because it says Bitcoin. So very simple and very easy. We're going to buy $50 worth, and we're going to put the information in our spreadsheet, the Captain spreadsheet. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the 30-day Shiba challenge. We've been doing this since October 8th. So let's go start adding this up in here. $48.01. That is the amount that we paid as a value of Shiba, and $1.99 is the fees as well. So that is the price of Shiba that we bought it from. So we're gonna also put this in there as well. It's the price. So we actually get it on the discount, so because the price is low today, so that's an opportunity. So now we're gonna view our transactions on Zackley to get some of the numbers, some of the additional numbers on October 31st. 723,000. We're gonna put that right in here like so, and then we're going to format the sales just like we always do together. So glad you're with me today. So $50 worth, we have a combined of 39,200 Shiba, and amount Shiba we paid is 1,500, just a little bit over 1,500, and the fees is $63. It's not bad for this actually challenge, and we've updated this information as well. Our buying challenge is at 38.53. Then the today's price is at 65.86. So we have a profit of $964. It did go down some, but we're still buying it every day. We got these days left in the 30-day challenge, and just like we always do, we tweet this out. Who's with me? Look at that. Day number 24 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? And that is awesome as well. Thank you, Secret Man, and everybody who's following this challenge. So 39 million Shiba. Our goal is to try to get around 50 million Shiba. If we can do that, that would be fantastic. All right. We'll see you on day number 25. Day number 24 is in the book of the 30-day Shiba challenge. I'll see you on the next video. And of course, if you want to continue buying or want to start buying Shiba, you can do that on Coinbase.com. The link is in the description. eToro, Webull, or any of those links in below can help you get this started. I'll see you on the next video. Can't wait.